Quality Assurance from Theory to Implementation by Daniel Gallin, and the books below can be used as reference books for this course. So earlier I was saying that the maintaining of the quality in the software products is essential for the current ages. In addition to this, the software development industry must adhere to software quality assurance policies and the strategies because of the following reasons. So I gave this title of Why Quality. So first of all, we'll see that the hyper competition that today's local markets has shifted to the global marketplace, and the plenty of the competitors have entered in globally. So it is very essential for the software industry to make a competitive quality products in order to win the competition among all the competitors. At the same time, the customers are becoming more knowledgeable because now the customers are having much more information about the emerging trends in marketing by the help of communication media and different internet resources. So as the customers are becoming more knowledgeable, their expectations for the quality is rising more and more. The demand for the secure and the safe software is also very essential, and it must be maintained by the software industry because it is vital for the organization to prevent and protect all the softwares from all kinds of vulnerabilities, and procuring products abiding by the professional code of ethics, keeping in view the human safety. So this is very important that the software products are developed or delivered by the software industry. They must be safe and secure in the sense of unauthorized access and some kind of the threats, etc. Next slide. The next is changing product mix. The concept of the changing product mix is the shift from the low volume high price to high volume and the low price products that have resulted in the need to reduce the internal cost of the poor quality. So maintaining a high quality with the low price and the products with the low internal cost is the key concern of the success and the survival of the businesses. This also gives you the notion of the lean production, in which we say that the companies must be capable of using minimal resources, whether those resources are physical or the virtual resources, to make more products and a greater number of the products. Then the product complexity is also increasing as the system have become more complex, and reliability requirements for the suppliers of components have become more stringent. So as the market is growing and the businesses are growing in the different domains, the complexity of the product is increasing, and it has become the demand of the businesses to make the quality product and to use the quality products. The high level of customer satisfaction. The next is because as I said earlier that the customers of the current age are becoming more and more knowledgeable. At the same time, their level of satisfaction is also increasing. You can say that the threshold of their satisfaction is increasing. So that the companies, the software industry must adhere to all the principles and the rules and the guidelines to maintain the software quality. Next slide is about understanding the quality. The notion of the quality is very difficult to define in a single statement because it is multi-dimensional concept. In the terms of the characteristics of the quality, its attributes and its parameters and its targets, and also the quality has different views which I will express in the next slide. So on this slide you can see the quality is defined in brief. The quality can be considered as the conformance to the specifications and the requirements. That means if a software conforms all the specifications and the requirement which are defined in the requirement documents, then it will be said a quality product. Similarly, the customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is related to the external and the internal customers. External and the internal customers, I hope that you know already, but I will explain a little bit about the external and the internal customers. Internal customers are those customers who are the employees or the managers of the company, and they are somehow involved in developing or producing the product for you. And all the external customers are those who pay money for your product, and they may include the end users and the stakeholders and the retailers and the distributors as well. Then the quality is sometimes considered as freedom